Yeah. It's been a ride. I guess I had to go to that place to get to this one. Now some of you might still be in that place. If you're trying to get out, just follow me.
Ready?
I'll consider it.
You can try and read my lyrics off of this paper before I lay 'em, but you won't take this thing out these words before I say 'em. Cause ain't no way I'm gonna let you stop me from causing mayhem. When I say I'ma do something, I do it. I don't give a damn what you think. I'm doing this for me, so fuck the world, feed it beans. It's gassed up, everything's just stopping me. I'ma be what I set out to be, without a doubt, undoubtedly. And all those who look down on me, I'm tearing down your balcony. No ifs, ands, or buts, don't try to ask him why, how can he? From Infinite down to the last relapse album, he's still shitting, whether he's on